just rolled. Where's my feather? Watch. Bounce the towel, bounce it a little bit. Okay. Now they're not happy. Okay. But that's good enough to move. Still not done. Come on, Kendall. It's in the spot. It's close enough. Corners. 40 pounds maybe. Oh yeah. Let me catch my breath. Oh, man. Okay. Just moved a nuke about, is it about 130, I think. Now look at them. They're not freaking out. The key here is we don't open them. They're fine. Now the nuke doesn't have a screen bottom board. It's a solid bottom. They'll be warm. They'll be okay. Tomorrow morning I'll come and pull a little part of the towel out, about 1 inch, not the whole thing. And all I want is for them to come out and reorient. Okay, now here's what's important. You've moved bees. It's stressful to them. If I take a colony like this one here, and move over here, they'll swirl and swirl over here for a couple of days. But if I move it a foot or two at a time, they're fine. They come back a foot or two. The next day they come right back. So if you only got to go 10 yards over 2 or 3 days, a couple of feet at a time. But we just went 120, 30 yards. Could have used a truck, whatever. Strapped always with the ratchet strap. Towel, seal, nothing's coming out the top. Nice and tight. See, I see a dauble bounce off the bottom to the gravel. Sealed with a towel. And we'll have a cluster of bees. Now actually, you would think, some of those bees from way over there will find this. They're not stupid. They saw where I went. You don't want to screw this up when you're doing this. If you do it right, you're just fine. So I wouldn't want to pull the towel out right now. That's not smart. Tomorrow morning, 6:30 or 7, I'll come. They'll be settled down. I'll come and open it. I can even, I like my pads. I suggest you copy me. Much easier. Should have done that years ago. Crazy. Okay, I can take the strap off. It's going to pop. Alright. Nice and easy. Be respectful. Ta-da! See how I did that? The handle's up top. Hooks are the side. It just falls away. You learn. Make it easy. All your hand movements, you got to watch. That's why we film so much, so you can watch it again and again and again. Okay. Now let's see. I really do. I don't think they like the red strap, really. Set that there. Getting a stone, a heavy one, you know, big stone. There we go. Done. See that? Now, these two right here, it's a little awkward for me by myself to just pick them up and move them back. So I'll wait for my spouse to come back. Kelly, help me. Alright, now let's go see what kind of activity we have. Hope you're learning. We just recently posted a DVD learning center, the learning DVDs, lots of videos recorded over the years, packages of videos. You invest in your bee education. If you try to do beekeeping on the cheap, it'll only cost you big later. back. Oh my, never. Okay. Okay, now. Excuse me just a minute here. Unload some stones. Gosh, jeez. Bee chores. See the edge right here? It's too close. Scoot it back. There it is. Oh, look. They're coming in. Not a problem. It's exactly what we want. Watch this. Dump this out. I need that. I need this. Check it out. Mr. Wilson. say hello to Mr. Wilson. Gosh. Okay. So the colony is up high, off the ground, in the general vicinity. We'll load up with some bees. Okay. Now. I'll do this later. This one. We want to strap it. That's all. We just want to strap it. It's an evening time move. This is why we've changed. The grass is overwhelming to me and the bees. What I want to know okay. Got a beetle. There he is. See him right here? Right there he is. Yeah, smash that beetle. Okay. Holy cow, man. See this feather. Golly jeepers, man. Bottom's full. Top's not. Okay. So we clear that. Seal. Best we can. No worries. Lid. Okay, I want you to take a second. See the hooks on the side? See the latch on top? Just like that. Copy what I'm doing. That way when it comes off, it's much easier. Get a good look at it. I'm catching my breath. It's the humidity. Oh boy, dick. Okay. Okay, now. Oh, golly jeepers. Okay, so while you're watching me do that, I want to challenge you to check out Apivox Auditor. Oh my. Yep. We're the first beekeeping operation in the country to run and teach Apivox Auditor. And students are like, holy cow. Yeah, it's kick butt, man. Okay, so that's up here. You can check Apivox on our main website, littlecreekbeeranch.com. Okay, so we're strapped. Now, tonight or tomorrow night or Saturday night, whatever, I can come in and tape the hole, like you see the top, tape it. It's a 5-frame medium nuke. 2 boxes together. 5-frame medium nuke with a screened bottom. Screened bottom. So the foil tape is what I like to use. Tape over the hole of a late evening when the field bees have come back, because I really don't want to mix them with a big group. Tape it after sundown, about 8, I don't know, something like that. And then pick them up and move them. Set them down, walk away. Early tomorrow morning, the next morning, remove their tape. In that order. Copy me. That one's done. Okay, now, on a side note, check this out. I don't like plastic boxes. This is an old one I came by a long time ago. It's the only one I got. Don't like them. See how the top wooden box has created a gap? It slid forward in the heat. Plastic boxes slide on hot propolis. Wooden boxes on plastic ones. Plastic and propolis don't go well together. It's almost like a grease. If you think it through, it makes sense. The wood sucks up some of the propolis. Plastic doesn't. Propolis acts like a lubricant on the plastic. It slides forward. We'll mess with them later. Okay. Let's see. That one's done. But I got an issue. I got one more to do. I don't have a towel. Okay. Check my fuel. I got one more. One more I want to do. Darn it, man. Gotta get it to see if I can find a towel. Hate the grass. I just don't have. It's just too much to mow. It's just too much. I don't have a giant mower to mow it. This is going to be our main apiary. We'll split it up. Sorry. Okay, now, my goodness. Oh, there it is, yeah. Alright. Heat and humidity. If we didn't have the heat and humidity, beekeeping would be easy. Excuse me. Same thing again. See if anybody's home. Ought to be. Hope there is. Or not. Oh yes. I supposed incorrectly. Oh my goodness. Okay. A little bit of a puff of smoke up top. A little bit of propolis removed. Now, why the seal? Just to make darn sure that when we move them, there's no gaps created with a strap. More of a habit pattern. Again, the strap is harder to deal with than the bees. See the hooks? About 3/4 down. Now, why do this now? Well, I'm already out here. When it comes time to move them, I just want to come tape them and walk. You know, tape them up, walk away with them. Late evening. There are 5-frame, medium, 2 boxes. Great for queen rearing, building out medium boxes, having extra queens in the apiary. I just can't find this size of box on the market in the supply stores. We just cut and make our own. Maybe they're out there. Okay, we're done. I'm done. Tuckered out. Hey, I'm 56. All gray up top. Heat and humidity. I got too hot one year and threw up in my veil. Yeah, that was a bad day. I learned. Okay, look at them. Settling down, coming back. And go back and watch the video again, how we did it. A natural boost. Field bees from both groups coming back. Awesome. We'll check on them in a week or two. See. Okay. Headed back. Tuckered out. You look at that and go, man, that wasn't much. Yeah, no. It's what the heat and humidity does to you. You know, all them young bucks out there work 20, 30 in a day. 105 heat index. Yeah, my mind says I can. My body says not going to happen. All calm. Not a problem. That's what we want to see. Very good. Tomorrow morning I'll pull the towel. We'll see. We'll put another pad here and 2 more down there. That's it. Enough for us. Look at that. Check it out. Garden cloth, not plastic. 5 bags of pea gravel per stand. 15 bags total. 3 hive stands. 2 hives on each one. Why 2 hives? That middle is called a free zone. It's very important. A lot of beekeepers don't understand. We can get some splits and shuffles. When we make splits, we scoot her over, make her splits, put them here. The field bees come back because we need the grocery ladies. You're pulling splits of nurse bees. You need grocery ladies. About 6 days later, you can plug them, take them away, scoot her back over. Oh my, what a tip. Gotta think that through. Too many people make splits of nurse bees. They don't understand. They're not all the same kind of bees inside. They look the same, they're not the same. Okay, enough for now. I'm tuckered out. Hope you learned. See ya.